Let's talk bird proofing. Bird proofing is the installation of physical barriers to prevent pest birds nesting, roosting or loafing in a specific area on site. Selecting the correct bird proofing system for your site can be quite confusing, and it varies depending upon the bird species and also the bird pressure on site. In some instances, smaller installations can be tackled in a DIY fashion. You don't always need to call in the professionals. However, for larger and more complex projects, it's key to get professional advice. Bird proofing systems include spikes, nets, pin and wire, avishock, fire gels, and also scarers fall under this category. A detailed survey will identify areas of concern, possible displacement, and will also design a tailored solution for your site. This will be based upon specific risk factors, including bird species and bird pressure. Across the website, you will find further information on all of the bird proofing systems and where they're to be used. Go check it out.